and to talk about the banking space because that's been in focus. And we did have Canara Bank that reported its numbers just a short while ago. Now, in terms of what is the fine print coming in for this, let's go across to Abhishek because as of now, the stock is managing to hold on to strong gains, 2.34% gains, Abhishek.
Well, like other PSU banks, Canara Bank has lost market share in terms of business momentum. But like PSU banks that you have been seeing, asset quality, one of the best that you are seeing in last 9 or 10 years for Canara Bank as well. So in terms of business momentum, deposit growth is 9.3% YoY and about 0.9% sequentially. Loan growth is about 10.3% YoY and about 4% sequentially. In terms of P&L momentum, they have reported an NI of 9,315 crore. We are working with a number of 9,312 crore. Their NPA provisions have increased by almost 19.2% sequentially. So annualized credit cost is at 5-quarter high of 1.05% versus 0.9% sequentially. But this is not for fresh slippages, but this is more to do with the write-offs that they have done. So they have made provisions over there. More than 3,000 crore of NPAs have been written off this quarter. So that is why they have made the provisions over there. They have reported a PAT of 4,014 crore. We were working with a number of 4,047 crore. In terms of asset quality, gross NPA ratio and net NPA ratio, they have fallen below 4% and 1% respectively for the first time in last 9 or 10 years. So slippages have declined by 30% on a sequential basis. Annualized slippage ratio is at 0.93 versus 1.37%, which is the lowest in last 15 quarters. So gross NPA and net NPA in absolute value have declined by 6.5% and 16.5%. And on your screen, you can see gross NPA ratio below 4% and net NPA ratio below 1%. Back to you.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Abhishek. Let's keep an eye out on Canara Bank. But on that note, we're going to slip into a very short break.